What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a smart lead filtering dashboard automatically right here in Claude. So let's get started. To build our lead filtering dashboard in seconds without writing any code in Claude, we're going to describe our dashboard that we would like it to generate for us. So here we're going to add our prompt. We can tell Claude, act as an expert SaaS product designer and full stack engineer, and build a production quality smart lead filtering dashboard that helps sales team instantly identify and prioritize their best prospects. The application should look like a premium SaaS product comparable to HubSpot, Salesforce, or Monday, with a modern responsive interface, smooth animation, and polished UX. Here we're describing the dashboard I would like to create and outlining some examples SaaS products we would like it to emulate. Then generate at least 100 realistic leads containing company name, contact name, job title, industry, company size, annual revenue, country, email, phone number, website, lead source, lead status, last contact dates, AI lead score, buying intent, budget, timeline, decision maker status, estimated pipeline value, and notes. And display KPI cards for total leads, qualified leads, hot leads, average AI score, estimated pipeline value, and conversion rate. Include interactive charts for lead source, industry breakdown, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and pipeline value industry. Then build an advanced lead table with goal search, sorting, pagination, sticky headers, column resizing, column visibility control, CSV export, and filtered export. And add powerful filters for industry, country, company size, revenue, AI score, lead status, buying intent, budget, timeline, lead source, and date range. Every chart, metrics, and table should update instantly as filter changes. Selecting a lead should open a detailed side panel with complete lead information and AI insights, including lead quality, buying signal, estimated close probability, recommended communication channel, and suggested next actions. Color code leads as hot, warm, or cold, display priority badges, and include one-click action to send, email, schedule meeting, add note, move to CRM, or archive lead. Support both light and dark mode, and ensure the interface is fully responsive and delivers a polished, enterprise-grade experience that feels ready for real business use. Here, I'm going to hit enter. Then give Claude a few minutes for it to generate our dashboard for us. Here you can see it successfully generated our very beautiful dashboard right here from our comprehensive prompt that we gave it right here. So it's named our dashboard Prospectra. Here is what is in it. So it has 122 generated leads with every field that we asked here. It has 6 live KPI cards, as you can see right here, 6 charts, advanced table, filter drawer, lead detail side panel, hot, warm, or cold color coding, and light and dark mode toggle. This is incredible. Let us preview our dashboard. Expand it right here to preview a very beautiful dashboard that is generated for us right here. Look at that. This is really incredible. You can see the dashboard right here with the total leads, qualified leads, hot leads, average AI score, estimated pipeline value, and the conversion rate right here. You can also see the lead source chart, the industry breakdown chart, the lead status chart right here. So here you can see the lead source. We're sourcing our leads from either referrals, cold outreach, trade shows, partner, or organic search. You can see the industry breakdown, industries such as SaaS, fintech, healthcare, manufacturing, real estate, professional services, marketing, education, telecommunication, and these are the industries right here. You can see the lead status. So here we are classifying them to either new leads, contacted leads, qualified leads, proposal, sent leads, negotiation, closed won, closed loss, and unresponsive. You can see the lead score distribution chart right here. You can also see the monthly lead growth chart right here. This is really impressive. And the pipeline value by industry right here in this chart. Then here you can see our leads and how we can filter our leads. So we have a total of 122 leads. With these columns right here, you can choose to include other columns right here if you'd like. Right here. This is incredible. Now we've included all the details of our leads. So we included their company name, their contact name, title, industry, size, revenue, country, email address, phone number, website, lead source, status, when we last contacted them, AI score, intent, budget, timeline, decision maker, and the pipeline value. This is incredible. And we can be able to filter the leads right here using the industry. You can see right here, country, company size, lead status, lead source, buying intent, budget, timeline. You can also include annual revenue right here, lead AI lead score, and the last time we contacted them, and then click on show leads right here. Right here, this is incredible. Yeah, you can see we can toggle our dashboard for the lights or redact them. Let's try filtering our leads. To filter our leads, click on the filter right here. You can choose to filter by industry right here, and then you can show the leads. Then here you can see we got a total of 31 leads from our filters right here, which was us, fintech and healthcare. And you can see the total leads, qualified leads, hot leads, average AI score, pipeline value, the conversion rate right here. You can see the lead source, industry breakdown across the 3 industries, the lead status right here. You can also see the chart for the lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value by industry. And then here you can see the list of the leads right here. You can also choose to export the leads using this button right here. It's incredible. So let us try filtering the leads using a different filter. So filter using industry, you can filter using country right here. And now here you can see we got our leads from the 3 filters. In this case, we're using country as a filter. So here you can see the total leads, total number of leads, qualified leads, hot leads, average AI score, pipeline value, conversion rate. And here you can see the lead source chart, industry breakdown chart, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly growth, and the pipeline value by industry charts. And then here you can see our list of the list of our leads right here with all their data: company name, contact name, title, industry size, revenue, country, email, phone number, website, lead source, status, last contact, AI score, intent, budget, timeline, decision maker, and the pipeline value. This is really impressive. Let us try filtering the leads using a different filter. So you can try company size here. So you can see we got a total of 72 leads, 32 were qualified, 18 were hot. The AI score was 60, and 40 million was the pipeline value. Conversion rate was 13.9. And here you can see the lead source, industry breakdown, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value charts right here. You can see the list of our leads with all their data, and we can choose to export the leads right here. This is really impressive. So you can continue filtering the leads using any of these filters. You can choose lead status right here, or the lead source right here. So if you wanted to know how many leads we got from our website, you can see right here, got a total of 10 leads, 6 were qualified, 2 were hot, 15, the average AI score was 59, pipeline value was 1.3 million, and the conversion rate was 30%. You can see the lead scores on the website only. Is the industry breakdown, the lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value by industry charts. And here you can see the list of all leads. This is impressive. So you can continue filtering the leads data by buying intent, budget, timeline, annual revenue, lead score, and the last time you contacted any of the leads. This is really impressive. So if you wanted to know leads with high buying intent and the budget of more than 100,000, you can click on show leads, and here you can see we got a total of 10 of those leads. 7 were qualified, 7 were hot. The average AI score was 85%, and 1.7 million was the estimated pipeline value. Conversion rate was 10%. Here you can see where we sourced the leads. industry breakdown, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value by industry charts right here. And you can see the list of our leads. This is really impressive. This is incredible. So you can continue filtering the leads as you've seen me do right here. You can filter by budget. You can see we got a total of 25 leads with a budget of 250,000 and more. 25 leads, 8 were qualified, 9 were hot, 64 was the average US score. The estimated pipeline value was at 12.9 million, and the conversion rate was 4.04%. You can see where we source the leads, industry breakdown, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value charts. And here you can see the list of the leads with their data. We're adding the leads with their company name, contact name, title, industry, size, revenue, country, email, phone number, website, source, status, when we last contacted them, AI score, intent, budget, timeline, decision maker, and the pipeline value. This is really incredible. And you can continue doing that with the timeline and all these other details right here. This is really incredible. So for timeline, so we can try and preview long-term leads. You can see we got 32 leads, 17 were qualified, 8 were hot, 61 was the average US score. Estimated pipeline value was 41 million, and the conversion rate was 12.5%. Here's where we source our leads. Here's the industry breakdown, lead status, lead score distribution, monthly lead growth, and the pipeline value chart. And here you can see the list of our leads. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated this amazing dashboard from our comprehensive prompt right here using Claude. So get into the details on what the dashboard is about. You can certainly include a couple of leads and all the different features that you like included in the dashboard, as you can see right here. In our case, we wanted to generate a lead filtering dashboard where we're filtering our leads based on the industry, country, company size, lead status, lead source, buying intent, budget, timeline, annual revenue, and AI lead score. Right here, see our list of leads and our charts right here with this very valuable data in this dashboard. This is incredible. So you can generate any dashboard depending on the niche or the market that you're in. You can generate financial dashboards, recruiting dashboards, marketing campaign dashboards, etc., etc. All you have to do is just describe to Claude in depth. Can you see me do right here on every single thing that you'd like it to include in the dashboard, and the results will be a very beautiful dashboard similar to this one that does exactly what you'd like it to do. This is how you can easily generate a well-designed, responsive dashboard automatically right here in Claude without writing any code. Thank you for watching. If you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.